Hello everyone and welcome to our coverage of the 888 Poker live in Bucharest, powered by PokerFest. I am so excited to be here in Bucharest. It's my first time, and driving in the taxi, I was blown away by the architecture and more specifically by the Romanian Parliament building. This building is not only the largest administrative building in the world, it's also the world's heaviest building. Covering poker tournaments over the last few years, I've noticed a lot of Romanian players rising to the top. Alexandru Papazian kind of splashed on the scene after winning a high roller, and then he got his first WSOP bracelet at the 2017 in the Crazy Eights event. We also had in May of 2017 at the 888 Poker live in Barcelona, Catalin Pop took that one down. It seems like there are a lot of rising stars coming out of Romania, and of course we can't forget the poker ambassador himself. Daniel Negreanu is also the son of Romanian immigrants. I already spotted the 888 ambassadors this morning at the Grand Marriott, and let's just say that for his first 888 event as an ambassador, Martin Jacobson is coming in pretty hot.
Non più tra I farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto d'amor.
The main event has a $288,000 guarantee, and the winner of that event will be going to Las Vegas for the WSOP with a package to the Crazy Eights event. Now, Vivian Saliba just took down the ladies event not too long ago in London, and she won a little package to the WSOPE in Rozvadov. And this ladies event, the champion will be headed to the 888 Poker live in Barcelona, which starts on May 24th. There's sure to be tons of action as we descend on this burgeoning poker community, and stay tuned for my first ever Facebook Live with Martin Jacobson and tons more from this 888 Poker live in Bucharest. I'm Sarah Herring, you're with us here on PokerNews.com.